IFB 24L Solo Microwave Oven, 24PM2S. Are you looking for a versatile and convenient microwave oven to simplify your cooking routine? Look no further than the IFB 24L Solo Microwave Oven, 24PM2S. This feature-packed appliance offers a combination of power, functionality, and ease of use, making it a great choice for busy households. Spacious capacity and stylish design. The IFB 24PM2S boasts a generous 24-liter capacity, providing ample space to heat leftovers, prepare frozen meals, or even cook small dishes. Its sleek silver design with a touch control panel adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen countertop. Powerful performance and multi-stage cooking. This microwave delivers a powerful 900 watts of output, ensuring fast and efficient cooking. The multi-stage cooking function allows you to program different power levels for various stages of the cooking process, resulting in perfectly cooked dishes. Convenient features for everyday use. The IFB 24PM2S comes equipped with a variety of user-friendly features to enhance your cooking experience. The auto reheat function takes the guesswork out of reheating leftovers, while the delay start option lets you program the microwave to start at a specific time. For added convenience, the microwave features a timer option and a steam clean function that simplifies cleaning and maintenance. 69 Indian and continental auto-cook recipes. One of the highlights of this microwave is the inclusion of 69 pre-programmed Indian and continental recipes. This extensive library allows you to explore a variety of cuisines with ease, even if you are a novice cook. Peace of mind with warranty. The IFB 24PM2S comes with a comprehensive warranty, providing you with peace of mind. The warranty includes 1 year of coverage for the entire unit, 3 years for the magnetron and cavity, and 6 years of spare parts support. Conclusion. The IFB 24L Solo Microwave Oven, 24PM2S, is a compelling option for anyone seeking a feature-rich and user-friendly microwave in Mannakunnam, Kerala. With its spacious capacity, powerful performance, convenient features, and extensive recipe library, this microwave is sure to become a valuable asset in your kitchen. Disclaimer. While this blog post provides product information based on available online data, it is recommended to visit your local IFB retailer or check their website for the latest availability, pricing, and warranty details.